So you're scrolling through YouTube, hearing all this buzz about AI, LangChain, and people building tools that automate work, chat like GPT, and even solve problems in real time. Yet you're stuck thinking, bro, I can't even code properly. How do I even begin? Enter Langflow, the no-code, visual AI workflow builder that lets you build powerful AI apps by just dragging and dropping blocks. Think of it like if Figma and LangChain had a Gen Z child that only speaks fluent automation. Langflow takes all the complicated backend crap UED, model integration, prompt chainage, memory, and agents, and wraps it up into a clean interface you can play with, like Lego blocks. Here's the game plan. We're going to build a complete AI workflow, no code, using Langflow. I'll show you how to install it on your PC or run it on the cloud. Build a chatbot that actually remembers past chats. Add a file upload feature that lets it read your PDFs or docs. And finally, deploy it as an API or web app for free. First off, what even is Langflow? It's basically a visual editor built on top of LangChain that lets you create complex AI pipelines visually. You can integrate OpenAI, Anthropic, Hugging Face, local AI, all from a sidebar. You drop in nodes like LLM, prompt, file loader, memory, connect them like a mind map, and boom, you've got a working AI bot. You don't even need to know what a for loop is. Now, to install Langflow locally, all you need is out Python and a working brain. You just run pip install Langflow, then Langflow run, and the UI opens in your browser. But if your system is as dusty as mine, you can also use hosted versions on platforms like Alestio, or run it on Google Colab or Hugging Face Spaces. Step 1. Create your first flow. You drag in an LLM node, set the provider to OpenAI, paste your AP key, and set model as GPT-4 or GPT 3.5. Then you add a prompt template node, where you can customize how your AI thinks. Add a chat memory node if you want your bot to remember what you said. Link all three nodes together, and now you've got a basic chatbot. But we're not done. We level it up. Add a file loader dash to let your bot read PDFs, Word docs, or even websites. Then connect an embedding retriever and a vector store node like Face or Chroma. And now your bot can do RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. This means it doesn't hallucinate. It actually reads your data and answers based on that. Want to go wild? You can add a tool node to give your bot access to the internet, a calculator, or even Python code execution. Now you've got yourself an AI agent. Deploying? Easy. You hit export flow, and you get a JSON file you can plug into LangChain directly. Or you use Langflow's API deployment feature. Wrap it in a Flask or Fast API backend, and boom, you've got a working AI SaaS MVP. And bro, this isn't some nerdy CLI tool either. The UI is modern, sexy, and made for speed. You can preview the response instantly, tweak prompts live, add retry chains, debug errors visually. It's like a playground for anyone who wants to build AI fast. And you don't even need to pay. Langflow is 100% free and open source. Want to run your own Claude the reagent with memory and tools? You can do it. Want to make a PDF chatbot that answers legal questions from uploaded documents? Easy. Build a virtual therapist? Sure, just be careful how you use it. Langflow is the cheat code for Gen Z creators who want to build without limits. By the end of this video, I'll show you how to build and deploy your own AI product using Langflow. And even better, we'll hook it up with voice input and get it responding like Jarvis. Stick around and I'll even drop the bonus tip on how to monetize your Langflow bots as APIs, or embed them into websites for clients and passive income. No fluff, no 1-hour tutorial with 20 minutes of filler. This is AI hacking for real creators. Subscribe if you're tired of being a watcher and ready to be a builder. Langflow is here, and it's eating traditional dev for breakfast. Let's get it.